going after it. I just passed Dominator and Tiv. Why am I faster than them? What the heck? Windshield wiper time. Oh, it's violent. Record-breaking hail. Don't go too close, bro. Oh no. Okay, I'm good. People are already over here. Gun vortex. I see it. It's gonna be orange. Another one. Violent. That guy just got locked in. So did he. Oh, this one's violent. You guys are getting lofted. What do you mean low tornado threat? Yeah, that guy just got killed. Oh my god, there's two more. Crazy. They're gone now. Go to more. I think everyone died. Yeah, everybody died besides those three. Those two. There's only two people now. Not including me. Well, there's three people including me. Never mind, there's 4. Never mind, there's 5. A dominator survived. Let's go. Dominator. Why am I windshield on? Bro, I actually love this. Violent. Oh shoot. This is the end. Okay, we're back. So you see, we're gonna take a video here. Oh yeah, we're gonna get 7,000. Nope, there's no tornado in the video. No reward. So there has to be a tornado in the video for you to get a reward. Okay, there's a tiv right there. There's a regular car. There's a dominator. There's a tiv. There's a dominator. There's a regular car. There's a dominator. And there's a tiv. Yeah, there was trees now. Oh, there's a lot of people. There's a dominator there. Over there. Got it. It's right next to a town. I don't know what town this is though. There's 2. So we have a weak and a moderate. Another one is blue. No, dominator, don't. You're gonna get lofted by any type of tornado. I don't know why. No, dominator. He's gone. Oh no.